All right, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. I hope my audio levels are right because I just redid my mic setup, but oh well, we'll see. Anyway, for reference, it is, wow, is it really? It's already August 25th, 2023. Time flies, and I was looking back at some of my older videos and kind of like, just seeing how they were received and that kind of thing. And I noticed I had a video that blew up. A lot of people looked at it. A lot of people still get engagement on that video till this, like today. And I was like, you know what? Let's kind of like maybe go back and take a look at it and then fire it back up, so to speak, or redo it. Not necessarily redo it, but like see how that method works today. And that was mining DogeCoin on a laptop. And for some reason, that video just took off. So here's the video in question, mining DogeCoin, an old laptop, 400,000 views. And I actually just got a comment an hour ago. How much DogeCoin per day now and month? Well, I'm not mining on that laptop anymore, but I do have the laptop that I'm using right now. And all I did is I went over to Unminable, went ahead and downloaded their newest unminable like miner, and it's super easy. You just have to make sure, depending on what browser you're using, it thinks it's like malicious, because technically miners are bad now. Not really, but that's how they see them, as bad. Went through the setup. This isn't a how-to video. I could do that if you guys need that, but it's super simple. And went ahead and put my 1660 1660 Ti that's in this laptop mining ETC hash on DogeCoin. It looks like the payouts are every 30 Doge, which I believe Doge is about 6 cents right now. So 0.06 times 30 looks like about every $1.80. I'll be getting a Doge payout, and right now local hash rate is low, but that's because I'm using this computer to record and stream. But once I actually stop doing anything on it, hash rate goes up to the high 20s. This GPU is capable of 30, but it likes to be right around like 29 and a half. So right now it's a little low because of, streaming and using the computer. But regardless, I'm going to let this mine for a little bit, probably come back in a couple days and see what the results are. We can go through the calculator, or they used to have a calculator. Do they not anymore? Hold on. Let's see here. So let's go to Unminable and let's go Doge. And then we can go, I think it was on ETC hash. Yeah. Where are we at here? So Equihash, ETC hash. And if we're doing, let's say 29 mega hash, that's 0.7 Doge a day or 21 Doge a month. Let's go over to what to mine real quick. What should we be mining with our 1660 Ti? Calculate. Looks like Raven Coin is, the Kapow's 13 cents a day. Man. Firo's 9 cents. ETC hash. Where's ETC at? 5 cents a day. So yeah, that's pretty bad, especially for the power that it's burning. I probably need to switch that over to like Raven Coin. Raven Coin's going to burn a little bit more power. What other options did it have? I don't know if I lose that balance if I switch. Let's see. Let's try it. So if I switch, that's ETC hash. If I go to NB miner, that's Kapow. LOL miner is ETC. T-Rex is Firo Pow, which is 9 cents versus 13 cents. So Kapow is probably the way to go, which would be NB miner. Next. Start. Okay, so your balance rolls. It doesn't go away, so to speak. I will let that fire up. It probably is not gonna be happy with the live stream or the recording because Kapow is a little heavier than ETC hash is, but it'll be good for when I'm not here at least. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, that kind of thing. By the way, people were asking me, in the last video, like, what sponsors do I have, that kind of thing. None of this is sponsored. It's all sponsored by me at the moment. I'm not even going to put a referral address up or anything. If you want to use Unmineable, just unmineable.com, and then go to get started and download the Windows version right there. Super easy. Super easy. If you have any questions, just ask down below. I did want to go back and see on here. Hold on. Yeah, I was doing 1 Doge a day. And what was the computer? It was a... Doesn't say. I knew it was an old one. I was getting 107 hash on DogeCoin. On on Monero, but getting paid out in Doge. Did I ever show what the CPU was in this thing? I don't think I did. Dang. Okay, for shittles and gigs, let's go back. We'll turn it over to CPU. We'll go next, start, and let's see what kind of hash rate we can get on this 10750 and compare it. Because I was getting 1 Doge a day on 107 hash. Yeah, this is 1,000. So that means I would, if I was mining with this back then, that would have been what, 11 Doge a day at 1,100, 10 Doge a day. Which is like 60 cents today, but back then I think Doge was. Did I ever show the price of Doge? And that's my calculator wasn't moving it the whole time. Oh, it was 5 cents 2 years ago. So it's only 1 penny more than what it was back then. But the mining yield was quite a bit more back then. A super old laptop that was only getting 1/10 of the hash rate was making an entire Doge in a day. Whereas a laptop that's 10 times more powerful is going to be making... I think this is about 5 or 6, 1 Doge a day. So difficulty is like 10 times what it was back then. Oh my. Makes things a little disheartening, but it is what it is. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate y'all coming out. I'm gonna be doing a couple, little throwback or retro videos. I also did find my this is an Odyssey by Seed, or maybe it's a Seed by Odyssey. I don't remember, but this bad boy's got a pretty decent ARM CPU on it. I think it's an ARM CPU. So I wanted to throw this onto mining some VerisCoin, because it seems like ARM CPUs, or VerisCoin loves some ARM CPUs, and see if that thing can't make any money. But anyway, I'm gonna let y'all have a good night. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.